Hi folks, it's Aditya, and today I released a 30-minute in-depth video discussing intuition, logic, reasoning, and above all, the why and how of how projects are built. Today I discussed about the phase 1 of my project Kraken Code, which is a CLI-based Python AI agent made from scratch in Python, just like Claude Code. So, as a beginner, I used to always wonder how people actually think and what questions do they ask that lead them to design and architect such projects. Like, from a beginner's perspective, I couldn't think of why someone would make a function like that or another function like that or some variables in that. So I used to always question that stuff, and I didn't got this help, but I wanted that someone who is just starting out could use the things that I learned, the way that I have articulated my intuition, and use it as a base so that you can help yourself. So I'm also just a beginner, not that much great, but you should definitely check out that video if you are starting out. It would be really good for you to know what questions, what resources, and how to look at a problem and make a solution out of it. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.